Are you an accounting practitioner struggling to effectively provide accurate answers to your clients' sales and use tax questions? Avalara Tax Research Standard for Accountants, a comprehensive self-service sales and use tax research subscription product, can help. As all practitioners know, tax research can be arduous, and without a specialized sales and use tax research tool, firms may not feel they are able to provide definitive answers to their clients. With Avalara Tax Research Standard, you can confidently provide answers to your clients' most complex sales and use tax questions. ATR Standard for Accountants encompasses thousands of hours of up-to-date tax research by Avalara's research team that's translated into plain English and made easy to search and cite. ATR Standard for Accountants is a very comprehensive tool with multiple ways to arrive at the correct tax question or answer you're looking for. For those accountants who like to start at the basics but with a leg up, Tax Laws allows you to search all document types, cases, statutes, regulations, and agency guidance by state. If you're looking for a quick place to look up cases, letter rulings, or any tax form for any state, this is the place to go. You can also look at multiple document types or states by simply opening another tab. Once there, you can search by keyword or phrase from inside the documents. So much easier than having to use Google. Notice on the Tax Laws page, the first tab is Saved Research, which allows anyone doing extensive research for audits, new product offerings, or disputes to save all of their work into a neat, comprehensive file. This feature gives you the ability to save your research from anywhere in the Tax Law section by simply clicking the Save icon on the screen. Perhaps a client calls and asks if canned software physically delivered for individual use is taxable in the state of New York. Let me show you how easily you can find that answer from the Tax Answers tab. Note how tax answers are broken down by specific industry. In this case, we know we're looking for an answer in the technology industry. Then I'll click on the Software tab. This brings us to the software library, where I'll choose the state in question, New York. As you see, we have a total of 42 answers dealing with canned and custom software. Let's focus on the 13 answers in canned software. It appears item 1.4 deals with the question the client posed. When I click on 1.4, it brings me directly to the answer, which in this case is yes. Canned software for individual use that is delivered in tangible form is taxable in New York. The question and answer are stated with a clear and concise, plain English explanation and background information. But if you think that was quick and easy, it gets even better. Let's say the client calls again and says, I need to know if that software is taxable in Connecticut as well. Without ATR Standard for Accountants, you would basically have to start at the beginning for each additional state. With ATR Standard for Accountants, just click the Compare button. And it brings up 52 answers, including Connecticut. I can click on Connecticut, or any other state for that matter, and get an immediate answer for my client. As well, you can easily print or save these results from your work papers or email them to your client, providing them links to the authority for the answer you provided. ATR Standard for Accountants also provides a history of tax laws and answers. With one click, you can go back in history and see every tax answer change, when it happened, and even past versions of the laws. This is particularly useful if you have a client who is under audit and you need to see if there have been any changes to taxability during the audit period. ATR Standard for Accountants also includes comprehensive tax rate data. You can easily access, export, and share industry-specific tax rates by city, state, county, and zip code. From the Tax Rate tab, let's click on Tax Rate Lookup and see how it works. In this example, we will choose Colorado, a state known for its complex home rules. We will choose the County of Adams and the cities of Aurora and Denver. With a click of a button, you can print, save, or export this data for your work papers or to share with your client. Both will be date stamped to easily identify the effective date of the rates you provide. Rooftop Rates provides you with a visual depiction of the rates associated with a specific address provided to you by your client. And for those times when a client can only provide a latitude-longitude location, Rooftop Rates can convert those coordinates to a rooftop address and provide rates. Avalara Tax Research Standard for Accountants is a powerful tool which enables your practice to quickly become efficient and effective in your sales and use tax research and enables you to scale and grow that revenue stream. For a more detailed demo or to learn more about the solution, contact us at accountants@avalara.com.